Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach. Here with me today is a 2007 BMW Z4 Roadster M. Exterior is an Alpine White. And as I walk around here, I'm going to show you any imperfections that I see. Up front here, we'll start with the bumper. Down near the lip here, you've got a little bit of cracking. And some cosmetic damage there. Not very visible when you're standing up looking at the car, but it is when you get a little closer. Headlights in great shape. They're not foggy, they're not turning yellow or anything like that. Driver front wheels in great shape. No scuffing, no pitting, no corrosion. These are 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Driver rear wheel, same shape. No damage, no curb rash. There is a little bit of corrosion there starting in the center cap. Rear brakes have 9 millimeters of friction material remaining. And the front pads and rotors have been replaced in service. Passenger rear wheel, great shape. No corrosion, no curb rash. It is missing the little emblem there, or the M emblem. And passenger front wheel, good shape, no curb rash. You can see that one has the emblem on it. Tires have 730 seconds of tread remaining. These are Continental Extreme Contact tires. Take it to the inside, and as soon as you open the door, you see that Imola Red leather interior, which is beautiful. You also have the accessory panels here in the same Imola Red. The embossed M emblem up there on the headrests, and you can see the bolsters are in really good shape. Got your 6-speed manual transmission and M Sport steering wheel. And as you can see, it has just under 88,000 miles on the odometer. And here's your convertible top down, where you can really flaunt that Imola Red interior. Convertible top works excellently. You do see a little bit of fading here on the convertible top, but it's not significant. Just showing a little bit of its age. Again, you know, this car's nearly 15 years old. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.